I started using Trustworthy, I want to say roughly a year ago. Don't quote me on that exactly. I know it's a video, but don't quote me on that exactly because I'm not entirely sure. But about a year ago, I actually see photos all the time in my clients' collections, and I'm totally guilty of doing this myself, where you need a picture of your license or your passport, something like that, and it ends up in your photo collection. And it's a terrible place for it. That's not where they should be. And so when I learned about Trustworthy, I thought, well, yeah, that's where they should be. They should be in a place where they're all together and secure, and I'm not going to accidentally scroll past and show somebody my private important documents. So I use it to get the important stuff out of my camera roll, to get it out of my filing cabinets. So things like copies of passports, mortgage documents, our house deed, essentially anything that I come across that I think, I really don't want to lose that. It's not something I look at all the time, but when you need it, you need it. And I don't want to have to go searching for it. So I'd much rather have it in an app on my phone. Yeah, I have two kids in college, and probably like all parents, I've had many calls, Mom, where is the, or I need XYZ for something. So when my youngest one went off to college this year, I did my older one at the same time, but we put together everything that we thought he might need, his important documents. He's out of state. He's a flight away. He's a couple hours time zone away. And so we put in there his driver's license, his passport, his vaccination records, not his entire medical record, but his vaccination records, some other things like that. And he has a tendency to break bones fairly frequently, and some other issues. So I actually created a document, a summary document listing out all the times he's broken his bones and had other things, so that next time that happens, because we all know there'll be a next time, when the doctor asks his history, he can be very exact, and he can pull it up for them